Welcome to the seventh lecture of the highway pavement and material. Today we are going to see the comparison between the flexible pavements and the rigid pavements, right? So difference between the bituminous concrete road and the concrete roads, and what is overlay, right? So we are going to study these two things: the comparison between flexible pavements and the rigid pavements, right? The deformation in the subgrade is transferred to the upper layers. As I said, if there is any defects in the lower layers, that defects will be visible on the upper layers of the flexible pavements. If there is any if there is any defaults or any defects in the lower layers of the flexible pavement, then that will be visible in the upper layers of the top surface of the flexible pavement. The design is based on the load distributing characteristics of the components layers. Here the load is been distributed to all the layers, okay, and each layer will take up the load from the previous load and transfer to the below loads, right? It has a very low flexural strength. Next is the load transferred is by grain to grain contact, right? The transfer of loading is grain to grain contact. Next is to have a low completion cost but repairing cost is high. Okay, to complete, or the initial cost you can say is very less, but the maintenance cost is very high. Have a low lifespan and high maintenance cost, and it has less lifespan, that is around 5 to 10 years. So we'll see the rigid pavements here, right? Deformation in the subgrade is not transferred in the subsequent layers. Means whatever defects that happen in the subgrade layers of the subbasis courses, that will not be able to be seen, because the concrete slab will be able to withstand that load without this below support for some portion of the area, right? So next is design is based on flexural strength of the slab or action. Flexural strength of the slab action, right? Their design was based on the load distribution, right? Here it is based on the flexural strength of the slab actions. Here the flexural strength is high.